Master the GMAT with the official guide. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most trusted and valuable resources for your GMAT preparation, the GMAT official guide. If you're aiming to ace this test, this video will help you understand why this guide is a must-have. The GMAT official guide is the definitive guide published by the makers of the GMAT exam. It's designed to provide you with real GMAT questions, detailed answer explanations, and insight into the format and content of the test. 1. Authenticity. Since it's published by the official GMAT exam body, it has authentic questions from past exams. 2. Structure and format. The guide offers a comprehensive view of the different sections of the GMAT, including quantitative, verbal, integrated reasoning, and the analytical writing assessment. There are countless resources out there, but here's why the official guide stands out. 1. Realistic practice. The best way to practice is by using real test questions, and this guide offers just that. 2. Diverse difficulty levels. It provides questions of varying difficulty levels, helping you gauge your readiness. 3. Comprehensive explanations. Each question is followed by a detailed explanation, allowing you to understand your mistakes and avoid them in the future. 4. Strategies and tips. Apart from the questions, the guide also provides strategies and tips to tackle different question types. 1. Consistent practice. Dedicate a specific number of hours each day to solve questions from the guide. 2. Analyze your mistakes. After practicing, revisit the questions you got wrong. Understand the explanations and learn from them. 3. Simulate test conditions. Occasionally, try solving the questions in a timed environment to mimic the actual test. 4. Note down key insights. While the guide provides tips, make sure you jot down additional insights or shortcuts you discover along the way. And there you have it, folks. The GMAT official guide is your trusted companion in this journey towards mastering the GMAT. Remember, it's not just about practicing, but practicing smart. Use this guide diligently, understand your weak spots, and work on them. Wishing you all the best in your GMAT preparation. Happy studying!